Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedrian. Now, dancehall artist Spice has broken the internet. The artist, who was on hiatus from social media, deleting all previous posts, returned yesterday with this photo. The light-skinned Spice went live via her Instagram account and it went viral within minutes, reaching upwards of 1.5 million views and comments in less than 24 hours. The photo and video, in which she teased her latest single, was greeted with mixed comments. Sources close to the DJ told E-Prime that all this serves as part of the promotional run for her upcoming EP titled Captured. And it worked, as yesterday the song debuted at #1 on the reggae iTunes chart in the United States and in the UK. Spice this morning released the visuals for the single dubbed Black Hypocrisy. The video answered much of the questions posed by fans yesterday, as it addresses the negatives of colorism, her own personal struggles, while promoting self-love. The track will be featured on her upcoming EP, which is scheduled for release in November.
I had a dream that one day black women will start supporting each other rather than bashing each other. Never forget that you are beautiful, lovely, attractive, courageous, and kind. I am dripping melanin with honey. I'm black without apology.
Legendary reggae artist Beres Hammond's newly released album Never Ending made its debut on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart in the #1 spot. The album, which was released on October 12 by VP Records, has surpassed British musician Sting and reggae artist Shaggy's collaborative album 44876. Never Ending consists of 14 tracks, including I'm Alive, Land of Sunshine, My Kinda Girl, among others. This marks Hammond's third #1 entry on the Billboard chart. His previous album, One Love, One Life, which was launched back in November of 2012, selling 2,178 copies, also debuted at #1. Never Ending is #120 on the top albums chart, #76 on digital albums, and #22 on independent albums.
I'm alive, yes, I'm alive, man. I'm in the bank of no rank, but here I am, still give thanks. Ask me how, I don't know, I ain't no pro, but I'm alive, yes.
The Calypso fraternity is in mourning following this morning's passing of veteran Calypso star Winston the Mighty Shadow Bailey. His death comes after celebrating his 77th birthday on October 2. Reports are that the Mighty Shadow died at hospital after ailing for some time and after suffering a stroke on Sunday. Shadow was to be conferred with the honorary doctorate by the University of the West Indies this year. He is known for a wide repertoire of songs that include Bassman, Dingley, Tension, Stranger, You Looking for Horn, and Poverty is Hell. In 2003, Mighty Shadow was awarded the Hummingbird Medal Silver for his contribution to culture. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.